Hi, welcome back to Stuff About Tutorials. Today we're talking about how to hide a space on ClickUp. Maybe you want to declutter your workspace by temporarily removing spaces that are not currently relevant to your current focus or projects. So today I'm going to show you how to hide a space on ClickUp. Check video description and I will try to leave the written instructions. So let's start. First, open the ClickUp application and log into your account. Once you are logged in, you will be taken to the home page. In this page, tap on this three lines icon at the top left corner of the screen. A panel will appear at the left side, and here, tap on Spaces. Now, choose the space that you want to hide. For example, I want to hide this space, so simply tap on this icon at the right side to open the space. Once you have opened the space, tap on this three dots icon at the top right corner. A new window will appear, and here, you can see all the space details. Now, since you want to hide this space, simply tap on this Hide Space option. After that, you now have successfully hidden a space on ClickUp. You can now enjoy a cleaner and more focused workspace. If you ever need to access it again, you can easily access it by going to the Hidden Spaces section in this panel. There you go. If you wanted to know how to hide a space on ClickUp, that is the easiest way I know how. If you know another way to hide a space on ClickUp, leave a comment below. Also, be sure to subscribe for more videos.